Welcome to Decor Studio, your favorite channel for home decor ideas and inspiration. Today, we are bringing you a spectacular tour of a colonial heritage home, showcasing a quiet luxury Christmas aesthetic. Get ready to embrace elegance and tradition as we explore 7 essential elements for your festive decorating. The subtle power of natural materials. Start by incorporating organic elements like raw wood, linen, and real pine branches for an authentic, understated colonial feel. This approach focuses on texture and quality, rejecting overly flashy or artificial decorations in favor of nature's simple beauty. Think about a centerpiece of unpolished, dark wood contrasting with delicate white cotton and subtle green foliage. The quiet luxury aesthetic is about tactile pleasure and visually calming spaces that resonate with history and timeless craftsmanship. A muted and elegant color palette. Move beyond the traditional bold reds and greens to a sophisticated palette of creams, taupe, soft golds, and deep emerald or burgundy. This restrained color choice is the foundation of a quiet luxury Christmas design. Use these muted tones in your textiles, wrapping paper, and ornaments to create an atmosphere of refined warmth and exclusivity. The goal is to suggest luxury without shouting it, letting the quality of the materials speak for themselves. This subtle shift immediately elevates the entire festive mood. Consider pairing antique brass accents with ivory velvet ribbon on your tree and garlands for a truly elevated look. The elegance lies in the intentional contrast and the depth created by these rich, yet subdued, colors. Heirloom-inspired ornaments. Select ornaments that look like they have been passed down through generations, emphasizing delicate craftsmanship over mass-produced novelty items. Choose hand-blown glass, subtle mercury glass, or simple ceramic pieces. Avoid plastic or glittery decorations. Instead, look for matte finishes and materials with a rich, historical texture. These unique pieces tell a story and add an invaluable layer of personal history and quality to your holiday display. Consider integrating small, framed family photos or antique-style lockets into your tree's decoration for a deeply personal and meaningful touch. The appearance of heritage is central to this particular style of Christmas decorating. Thoughtful lighting and ambience. Utilize warm, soft lighting, primarily through candlelight and dimmable string lights, to evoke a cozy, historic glow throughout the home. Harsh, bright lights disrupt the refined atmosphere. Place unscented pillar candles in antique-style glass lanterns or polished brass candle holders on mantels and side tables. This carefully controlled illumination is key to creating that intimate, colonial-era holiday feeling. Remember that quiet luxury is also about the sensory experience. A crackling fire or a beautifully scented room with pine and clove enhances the feeling of peaceful opulence. The right light can make any room feel instantly more expensive. Minimalist colonial mantel decor. Focus on a few high-quality, impactful elements rather than overcrowding the space with too many decorations. A simple, fresh pine garland is often more effective than a heavily adorned one. Pair the garland with a single, magnificent piece of art or a large, antique mirror to anchor the entire display with historical gravitas. Less is truly more when achieving the colonial quiet luxury aesthetic. For stockings, choose thick, cable-knit wool or simple, embroidered linen in your muted color palette, avoiding overtly cartoonish designs. The mantelpiece should feel curated, not merely decorated, showcasing thoughtful placement. The elegance of unwrapped gifts. Embrace simple, high-quality wrapping materials that match your decor's muted color palette and natural textures. Think brown craft paper or thick linen bags tied with silk ribbon. Instead of bright, shiny bows, use dried citrus slices, sprigs of rosemary, or a wax seal stamp to adorn your presents for a refined, old-world charm. The presentation of the gift should feel like an extension of the home decor itself. The beauty is in the detail, ensuring that every wrapped item contributes to the overall aesthetic harmony, creating a cohesive and beautifully arranged presentation under the tree. Integrating architectural details. Highlight and complement the home's existing colonial features, such as deep window sills, crown molding, and wooden banisters, rather than concealing them. These details are your backdrop. Drape simple, unadorned wreaths in high-traffic areas and use subtle greenery to draw the eye to the rich, historic woodwork of the home. The decor should feel naturally integrated, not just temporarily placed. Thank you for joining us on this quiet luxury Christmas tour and for letting us inspire your holiday decor with Colonial Elegance. Please like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to Decor Studio for more luxury design ideas.